Hi.
Hi.
Are you here for an Uber?
Yes.
Get in the back, please.
Hi, how are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm okay. Some people are just not, I don't know, high maintenance people, you know?
Oh, really? What's your name? If I may ask, of course.
I'm Dylan. It should say on your app as well.
Oh, well, I didn't see actually because my friend ordered the Uber for me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing. Actually, you look kind of familiar.
I mean, yeah.
I think I
I'm
know
like
you
on
from somewhere.
YouTube or something.
No, I don't think that's it.
Okay.
I know you from somewhere. I don't know
where. I'm in some YouTube videos and maybe saw me on TV or something. I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm just trying to figure it out, cause oh my god, that's crazy. Maybe like in the middle of the road, like I'm gonna like remember, but like right now.
So how's your day going?
Oh well, it was good actually. I was just hanging out with my friend, my best friend.
At UCLA?
Yeah.
Do you go there or?
No, she's going there.
Yeah, okay.
That's why she ordered me Uber, because I forgot my phone actually from home.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's.
I don't even know what time is it.
It is 3:18.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Can you wear your
sorry.
seatbelt, please?
Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. I'm just not used to it, you know?
You're not used to wearing a seatbelt?
Yeah. I don't usually wear it. Like in
Oh.
my car, it's automatic. It's doing it itself, so you don't have to do it.
You have an automatic seatbelt in your car?
Yeah, of course, don't you?
How does it not like hit you?
Normally, it's just technology, you know?
Yeah, oh, okay.
Yeah, that's crazy. Actually, oh my god.
What?
Do you know Emily?
Yes. Wait. Wait, which one? Because obviously I know like 3 Emilys. Are you talking about the girl from Newport?
Were you dating Emily?
The girl from Newport?
Yeah.
Sorta. I mean, yeah.
Oh my
I guess.
god. Because she's my best friend, and she
No
was
way.
just telling me about a guy that broke her heart named Dylan.
No.
Is that you?
No. Probably not. I don't
Oh
know.
my god, that's where I know you from.
We were barely. Okay, that girl's crazy. Don't even.
You calling my best friend crazy?
She's your best friend?
Yes.
Oh my god. Are you
She
serious?
literally showed me the pictures of you.
Bruh.
I was at
Okay.
her place right now, and she showed me the pictures of you.
Was she crying?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay,
Dude.
she cries about everything though.
No, she does not.
Okay,
You just
literally,
don't know her.
literally one time I was hanging out with a girl.
Oh wow, so you were cheating on her?
No, I was at a pool with her in a jacuzzi, and that's all of a sudden she's like all mad at me.
Why?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You probably did something wrong and you didn't realize it.
No, just because the girl, she's like, oh, the girl's in a bikini, that you're probably checking her out. I'm like, no, we were just hanging out.
Well, maybe
I met the girl in acting class, and we were just going over lines, you know.
Oh my god, you literally broke her heart.
We were barely even.
She told me you were boyfriend and girlfriend. It was serious.
Well, you know, she wanted to be, and I was
Exactly.
just like, fine, whatever, sure.
Really? So you just like got into the relationship without having feelings for her?
No, I mean, she's attractive, of course, but
Okay, she's attractive, but
her
what else? Do you like her character? Do you have personality?
well, her personality is pretty annoying. Just gonna say that.
Excuse me?
Her
I'm not gonna let you talk about my friend like that.
Her personality was like a roof shingle.
What is that supposed to mean?
You know the little tiles on top of a roof?
Oh my god.
That's her personality. It's like nothing. It's just sitting there.
I wish I had a phone right now so I could FaceTime her and show her your ugly face. Because you're disgusting right now.
Are you? Okay,
You literally,
can you respect me? I'm trying to give you a ride, okay?
But like you literally broke the heart of the only person I care about.
I didn't even like her. She told me she loved me on the 3rd day I met her. I'm like, what am I supposed
If
to
you
do?
didn't like her, why the hell you got into the relationship with her and gave her hope?
Because it was easy. I don't know.
It was easy to like what?
Well, she was like all over me for the first from the first minute, so I'm like, fine, whatever, might as
Oh my
well.
god, so you just decided, okay, whatever, I'm gonna go on a date with her, and what? And then what?
I don't know, just having some fun, nothing serious.
Some fun? She was taking it very seriously.
Alright, well, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
What do you want? What am I supposed to do? That's like all in relationships.
Why
one
did you
person.
break up with her?
There's always
Why?
gonna be one person who likes the other person more.
Why you hurt her?
What do you mean? It had to end.
What do you mean it had to end? She didn't say it like that. She said that you treated her like shit.
Well, yeah. I mean, after a while, she just kept calling me, and she's like, "Why don't you
Because
answer?
she cares about you.
Why are you leaving me on red? Why don't you Snapchatting me?"
Exactly.
It's like, who cares?
She does, and you just act like a total jerk.
Well, I had to break up with her over text.
What? Are
Yeah.
you kidding me?
No, I'm not. No. What do you mean? I didn't want to.
You broke up with her over text?
Well, I didn't want to see her. She was so annoying. She's probably gonna yell at me.
You didn't even have the audacity to meet up with her?
She probably would have started crying.
Exactly, she would.
Yeah, so why would I want to be there?
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Yeah, I just texted her and then I blocked her number.
That's a typical guy thing to do, you know? That's the problem with you guys. You just don't care about anything.
No, trust me. If you heard my side of the story, do you
really?
want to hear my side?
Oh yeah, sure, go ahead. I'm all ears.
Okay, so
What happened?
she was talking to somebody too.
Oh really? Who?
I don't know, some girl.
Some girl?
Yeah, they were like always together.
Well, that was probably me because I'm Hooper's friend.
Okay, well, it was just really annoying. They both looked super annoying.
Oh really? So you think I'm annoying?
I don't know if it was you or not, but she was like, I just heard the girl in the background.
Oh god, that's...
She just kept calling me and being like, oh my god, I miss you. When am I gonna see you? Oh my god.
That's what we girls do. We just honest.
I'm like, geez, shut up. Like,
we
relax.
are just honest.
Like, I don't want to be together with you anymore. So
why you didn't tell her that in her face? Instead, you acted like a total moron and just like send her a stupid text.
Well, it was a Snapchat, but still.
Even worse.
It's not that bad.
It is. And
She
you're
needs to learn-
laughing. Why the fuck you laughing?
Because she needs to learn one way or another. Like, the whole world doesn't revolve around her. She's like my mom. Like, oh, are you home yet? Oh, where were you?
Because
oh, can I have your location?
Shows that she
Hey,
cares.
you know what? She asked to trade phones to go through each other's texts.
Okay. And?
Trust issues, red flag.
Red flag. You were the whole red flag, honey. What the fuck?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It had to end.
Why couldn't you just like give her another chance?
You know when some people say, oh, it's not you, it's me?
Well, that was you.
No, I told her it's not me, it's you. Because I didn't want to lie to her. I was actually honest. I was like, you know what? I'm sorry, it's not me, but it's you.
Dude, really? You did that?
Well, yeah. She needs to grow up. You know she's never had one job in her whole life?
Okay, so? Because she had rich parents.
Exactly. She's so immature.
Why?
She needs to grow up.
Okay, so basically you saying that people that are rich are so immature because they never had to work at Wendy's?
You don't have to work at Wendy's, but I think you should learn the value of $1.
Just because she has money doesn't mean that possibly she doesn't value the money.
Well, she's never had to work for money.
Okay, so some people have like an easier way and some people have to struggle. But that does not mean...
You can still have money and appreciate it, but she doesn't appreciate it.
How do you think... Why do you think that?
Because she's like, oh, do you want to go out for food? And I'm like, okay, sure. She's like, okay, but you're paying, right?
Well, that's what a guy should do. Pay for a girl on
It's
first
the
date.
question. She should ask, oh, hey, I don't have money. Do you mind paying? I will be like, yes, of course. But if she just goes, you're paying, right? Do you think I feel motivated or turned on by that? No.
Okay, you get the point there, but anyways, like, what's the other reason you broke up?
She's annoying.
Okay, besides that...
She doesn't support me.
What do you mean she doesn't support you?
She doesn't support my ambitions.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's gonna be weird.
What? What do you mean?
No, I'm not gonna tell you. Because you probably will think, you'll probably laugh.
Yes, I will laugh, of course.
Well, I want to be an astronaut.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and she's like, oh, you have to go to school for that.
Don't you?
I mean, yeah, but like, I can still go.
I mean, yeah, you're young, you can. And you can still date
and she's
her.
like, oh, yeah, you'll never do it. You'll never be an astronaut. That's a childhood dream. I'm like, yeah, it was a childhood dream.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so.
Okay, listen, I can talk to her and you can guys figure it out if you want. Because I'm sure she's so much better than what you're saying.
I don't know. I mean, maybe.
I really want this to work out because she's like, so heartbroken and she's been like that for like a week or now.
I mean, she told me about you. She told me.
What?
You know.
What?
She said you might be down.
For what?
You know.
I don't.
You, her, me.
Why? She told you that?
Isn't it true?
Oh my god. That's...
I mean, I'm just saying, I mean, I'm not saying anything, but that's what she said.
Okay, no.
She said you wanted to watch or something.
That's weird.
I'm just saying that's what she said.
Why she said that?
I don't know. I mean, if you want to, you don't have to. I'm just saying.
I have to think about it, but I have a boyfriend.
Okay, well, why don't you invite him too?
That will be like a whole new level of weirdness.
Okay, well, I don't know what to say.
Well, I think you should get back to Emily and you should just like work it out.
I mean,
I'm not down for anything.
Okay, I can try.
You can try. You will try because it's worth it. Trust me. Like I can talk to her and I can make it work between you guys.
Okay.
It's gonna be okay. Trust me.
She broke my heart too, okay? I never told you that.
Really?
Yes.
What did she do? Just tell me.
No.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna tell her anything.
Yeah, you were her best friend. Best friends tell each other everything. Girl code, I know about it. I know everything.
Well, oh my gosh, come on. If you want me to like make it work, just tell me your side of the story. So I know how I can be like in the middle.
I don't know. Maybe if she would like be more down to do stuff.
Like what stuff?
You know.
Oh. Oh. Well.
Yeah.
Oh. Well. Oh. I mean, I can still talk to her. I don't know.
Okay, well, we're almost to the destination, so.
Okay then. I'll make it work. Don't worry about it.
You'll make it work?
Yeah. It's gonna be fun.
Are you Cupid today or what?
What?
Are you the Cupid?
Yes. I'm the love doctor.
Alright, love doctor.
Yeah. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry about it.
Alright then.
Sorry I screamed at you. You know, just like...
No, it's
It's
fine.
been tense, you know?
Yeah.
I don't like it when someone just treats my friends like that. So yeah. It's gonna be fine. I think that's the destination.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's weird.
Alright, well,
Okay, thank you.
here you go.
Thank you so much. I'm so tired, but yeah.
That was
See ya.
awkward, but alright.
Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye. 5 stars.
Yes, of course, and a tip.
Thank you.